Hello, everyone. In the last episode, we spoke about what is Copilot and how many types of Copilots there are. And in this episode, we're going to talk about how Copilot works and why is it secure to work, to use it at your workplace. So first of all, as industry experts, we believe that Copilot is going to be on every device in the world uh, in 2 to 5 years' time. So let's jump into it. How does Copilot work? So a user initiates, once Copilot is, initiated or executed on any Microsoft Office application or on M365 environment, the user initiates and prompts on the interface. This prompt is then, that goes to data retrieval process. And after the data retrieval process, there is some AI processing. Once AI processing is completed, the response is generated, and it's given back to the user for review and edit. If you're satisfied, you would probably use it as the final version. Or if you're not satisfied, you're going to send it again as a prompt towards this. Now, this is how simply Copilot works. But how is it secure and why is it, how does it maintain data privacy? So the first thing is you are logged in as an authenticated user. This means that Copilot, you can use Copilot, and then permissions and documents are, of course, managed through your identity. So if you're logged in into OneDrive, Copilot would work on OneDrive documents. Now, this is one of the security measures. When you're writing prompts and when you're basically transmitting prompts, these prompts are encrypted and are not used to train a model. Now, the prompt retrieves data from graph, which has the knowledge and context of all your documents, your meetings that you have access to, your notes, your emails. So it basically, it processes the prompts, look for, what's there using the authentication, and then the AI processing. This processing is done in the secure environment of Azure. That's very important to know. And nothing is used to train the data. There are no response that are used to train any model. And then it is only relevant, the relevant response in the data is used only. So chances of hallucinations are low. Once the AI processing is done, a response is generated, which is again encrypted. And then it's given to the user to review. Once the review is done, it is used as a final version of a summary of a document, of a slide deck that you've generated. Or if you send it back for data retrieval, again, the reprompt happens and it's also encrypted. So using authentication, data privacy, access controls, and encryption, Microsoft ensures that at every stage, Copilot remains secure for you to use at your workplace. Thank you so much. And in the next episode, we're going to discuss about Copilot Studio and how you can use Copilot Studio at your workplace along with autonomous bots. Thank you so much. Have a great day.